Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn about Selenium WebDriver architecture. This is very important from the interview perspective. As you know, we first of all whenever we start anything, we first understand the basic architecture. After that, the other things will be clear to you very easily. Like if you're making a building, so if your base is strong, your further building is also strong, right? So in this way, first of all, you know the internal architecture of the Selenium WebDriver, right? So in the Selenium WebDriver, basically how it's working, when you automating anything, how it's working. So it's depend now. So you want to know the basic. So first of all, I want to explain you the concept of WebDriver. Like, so what is WebDriver? WebDriver is a kind of an interface. Later we discuss on deep later on. But right now, just basic understanding. So WebDriver, it's like that. Like it's convert your basically code language into machine language. You can understand like that into machine language. So, like for each web browser, we have a different kind of like for Chrome, we have a Chrome driver. Later on, when we study about that deeply, like Firefox, let me explain first this. For Firefox driver, and so on. So, like when we learn about later on about these things, so you will get to know that you need to provide a particular path of that particular exe file that we are downloading on whatever browser we are using. So according to that, we need to provide the path of that web driver, so that whatever you script writing over there, first it will go to the web driver, then web driver communicate with the your main browser, and whatever the response it will get, it will came back to you in the form of a result. So let me explain with your picture. It will easy for you to understand from that perspective. Just a moment. Mm, Stucking over here. Sorry guys. Just a moment. Let me know what's happening over here. So this is the video. See, we are using IDE. Later on, we are going to use Eclipse over here. So like we can use any programming language as you told you, Java, Ruby, C Sharp, Python, JavaScript. So these response convert into JSON format and goes into WebDriver that I explained you. Like you can use any Firefox driver, Chrome driver, Safari driver, Opera driver, S driver. So once it convert over there, this JSON language convert to machine language, and that goes to the real browser. Again, the response came back to the your WebDriver. Again, it came back to your language in the form of result. So this is basically JSON. So it will be, I think, it very easy for you. This overall conversation was going on HTTP server, right? As you know, there is HTTP dot Google something dot com. So it's a safe transmitting platform basically, or survey. So that's why we are using. So it's very important. Let like when you're going to use like this one, right? You will download Firefox driver. You will provide the path of that. Later on, I'll explain you in a deep manner. For now on, just you need to understand this, right? So I will explain like first of all, like step one. After trigger, the code goes into WebDriver, right? Right, your client code basically goes into the browser driver. You can say client code which you write in your machine, right? Using a laptop or Eclipse ID. Second, after that, then the particular JSON will be generated. JSON generated. Once this JSON is generated, the third step is this JSON basically sorry, the JSON goes into your basically WebDriver. For example, ChromeDriver, for instance, right? Once this goes into the ChromeDriver, your driver receive a response. Then this ChromeDriver send your basically WebDriver. I would say WebDriver uh, sending your code to real browser, like Chrome. Fifth, again get response from browser into JSON, and then you get the your final result, right? So if you have any like confusion about it, if I'm not able to explain that, you can comment in our channel below, as you can mention over there. Do subscribe our channel, and if you face any problem, just directly mail us, and you can directly comment it out. We will reach whenever we are get free, and we are always available for you. So this is all about the Selenium web structure, basically WebDriver architecture, and later on in this section we will explain you how to download the Eclipse, and we move with the further testing part. The real testing will start from the next YouTube video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Thank you so much.